Hey guys, Bailey here, and I'm going to be making a Minecraft video for you guys. I don't remember where I am because I haven't been on here for a while. Oh yeah, I'm making my walls. So I got the brick. It's a lot of work painting walls. Like that. And what I'm trying to do is trying to make Bronco colors, but what I'm going to start with is blue because then I can cut out. Then I can like destroy some blue blocks and put in orange. Right? Yeah. Now, punch out this wall here. As you can see, I've done this already a lot because I'm almost done. Now I'm going to punch that. That'll be punch up. That'll be back on. Where? That'll be punch up. That'll be back. I don't know the checkered flag so well, so I might mess up. I guess it's pretty good. Not the worst. Now to put torches in. I got to destroy two. Put a door in. What's up? Go out. It's my dog's room. Close! Awesome. I'm going to go build a storm shelter now. Oh, hey, look. I better start getting some eggs. There we go. Gonna get a blaze. Don't want to shoot, don't want to pick, don't want a zombie. I don't think zombies will hurt me. In any way. Definitely not a creeper because I like killing him, so. Oh, spawn enderman. Cave spider. Zombie big man. Gonna get that. Okay, got my eggs that I want. No. Front door. Ooh, lucky. Let's see if there's any stuff. How did that happen? Oh, dang, I just closed myself out. My slime's going to be in here. On slime. There we go. Now you are locked in there, mister. Fat up! I wonder if I get birth to tiny baby slimes. Blaze, you'll be in there. Nope. No, no. Close. We're gonna start with me. Let's start with me. Let's seriously start with me. Ah! Is this supposed to be something? I wonder what this is. Oh, back with you. Now I gotta make a pig zombie, which will go in my pig room. Okay, done. Does he seriously have a diamond sword? Yeah. Okay. Just gotta make more rooms. This is Billy signing off. Bye!